Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're about to discuss hair business. Right here I'm here with Ella's hair collection. Ella, please, how is this business? Is it lucrative?
Yeah, the business is a very lucrative one.
So for how long have you been doing this business?
I've been in this business for a year plus.
Okay, a year plus. Okay. What are the requirements? Let me say the elementary parts of this business if you want to go into it.
Well, the elementary part of it, what you will need to go into it is at first you need your money, your capital,
Okay.
because hair business requires a whole lot of money. Like you might start as maybe somebody that is reposting hair in your status. You get a vendor that you buy your hair from, and you be reposting hair from there. You can be making your money to set up your own business. So that aside, the one of installations, wigging and all that, maybe when you have made your capital, you've gotten some money from the hair you've been selling online, you can use them, get the machine and look for somewhere you can learn the skill, because it's not something you can just maneuver and just start like that without a basic knowledge, because it needs so much.
What are the challenges someone may encounter in this kind of business?
Well, the challenges someone will encounter in this business is maybe not getting the right knowledge you have to know about hair, because hair has so many varieties, and when you get the wrong one for your customers that know so well about the hair, then the customer will just make it up with you, maybe sue you, or you post start dragging something out, something like that. So you just have to get a proper knowledge of hair before you venture into it, because without it.
So I'm seeing varieties of hay here. Do you have a affordable hay here?
Of course I do, but the only thing that I don't have here is just a hair blend. Yeah.
Let me say, what's the least hay you have here?
The least hair I have here is Tiwa wig, which is 40,000 naira.
And you are giving people, the viewers, assurance that anybody coming to buy hay from you is, have what would I say, is secured, and the hairs are very authentic.
Sure, because selling off a wrong hair to the customer is not an ideal something to do. Sure, so I do well to give my customers the best, give them the best run so that they can stand out when they are in public. So
What
they,
are okay?
so they can represent my brand so well.
Ella's hay collection. What advice do you have for people interested in this kind of business?
Well, the advice I'll have for anybody that is interested in this business is for you to just be keen, learn the work very well, and the most important thing is here is truth and honesty. You have to tell your customer the truth, what it takes. This hair is the quality one. This is the amount you have to pay. Then tell the person you can bring the cheaper one, and therefore going to get the person a lower hair, which will turn out to create a misunderstanding between you both.
Wow, that's nice. Are you a graduate?
Sure.
So do you think school matters, or are you all about business?
School matters a lot, yes, because school will enlighten your understanding. School will make you to relate well with your customers and all that.
So please, one more question. Out of this concept, I want you to answer me this question. What do you, let me say, what do you have to say for men training women in school?
Well, men training women in school, it's just what the person wants to do, because some men might, after training the girl we still have good girls out there, just that the bad eggs are trying to spoil the good ones. But I know that many good girls are out there. Some people, after the man is done training her, she will bend down and follow the man, why some might fall out. So it just depends on the person's luck. Yeah.
Wow, thank you very much. Well, I have one word for you. You know, keep it up. Keep it up. And please, can you help me and tell the viewers to subscribe to my channel, Legit Hustler?
Hello viewers, please subscribe to his channel Legit Hustler so that everybody will be okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Ella.
Thank